I'm with Jean-David Bigoni, and he is from Lyon, France, which is where our friend Pat Dengler owns a house, and we've actually visited Lyon. It's a beautiful city.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're in a booth with it says MIMO Detect or MIMO Detect?
MIMO in French, but MIMO Detect, it means multiple output, multiple input. Yeah, it's more or less the technology was inside this GPR.
So GPR, what is that?
Ground penetrating radar. So it's a tech quite famous worldwide, but here we modified a bit this tech to have to show real time on the screen.
So what we're looking at here is something that looks like maybe a giant wide lawnmower. It's black, it's got silver handles on it, but we've got a screen up here, and as you drive this around, what happens?
Once you drive this around, it shows you on the small lights on the side where the pipes are, and in real time it draws the pipes on the screen. So any kind of pipes, plastic, metallics, it can be water, gas line, it will draw the pipes in real time on the screen. So there is no post-treatment and no post-analyze. Everything is made in real time on the screen.
So the main purpose of mapping all of this is to not dig up the pipes, correct?
Yes, to not break the pipe. It's mainly designed for construction company who want to secure an area before they start digging. So that's why they need something very simple, very plug and play. They don't need to be trained with a lot of expertise to analyze an hyperbola or signal you can find in traditional ground penetrating radar.
Now, what kind of pipes can you detect?
We can detect all kind of pipes. It can be gas pipe, power cable, or plastic pipe, all kind of pipes.
Water, sprinklers.
Oil, transportation, all kind of pipes.
Fiber, well, this is probably in PVC.
Yeah,
but
fiber. So for cable fiber must be quite big, because if it's so thin, we will have only one signal, and it's more difficult to find. Yeah.
Do you ever have false positives with giant tree roots or anything like that?
Sorry, I didn't.
False positives, like where you see a tree root and it thinks it's a pipe?
Yeah, we try to avoid false positive with the algorithm. So the algorithm is really focused on line, circle product. We make a line underneath, and it's algorithm who avoid the false positive. Yeah.
I would think the fact that it's a straight line, which tree trunks hardly ever are, and the fact that it's staying the same diameter would tell you it's a pipe too, right?
Yeah, it's what is quite easy for the algorithm, because when he got a point before and a point after, they're always the same. It's a line, so it's the algorithm is made on this. It's just follow the pipe.
Anyone who was only listening, he used air quotes when he said "easy for the algorithm." That's the magic sauce, right? This is really interesting. I'm assuming this. You said it would be for construction companies, but they would probably rent this from the city or something like that, or?
Yeah, any people who work around underground pipes who need detection to secure an area, or to collect data from the underground pipes to make a digital twin of the underground. It's also very important. Yeah.
That's fantastic. So if people wanted to learn more about MIMO Detect or MIMO Detect, depending on your language, where would they go?
Yeah, they can flash the QR code we've got on the...
They're not standing here for the audio.
And you can go MIMODetect.com. You will have all the information and even contact with us. Yeah.
All right, very good. Good luck with your company. This sounds really good.
Thank you very much.